Here's a certified 2019 Jeep Cherokee. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and power heated mirrors. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.